In this video, I'll show you how to scrape news articles using Browse AI, a tool that makes it incredibly simple to extract data from websites with just a few clicks. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or someone who needs up-to-date information fast, Browse AI can save you a lot of time. Before we dive into the details, I want to let you know that you can actually use Browse AI completely free with our exclusive bonus. Just check out the first link in the description below for an extended trial. Now, scraping news articles has traditionally been a complicated process involving writing scripts or dealing with messy data, but Browse AI changes all that, allowing you to easily set up web scrapers without any coding experience. If you've ever wanted to pull news articles for your website, blog, or research, this tool is perfect. The first thing you'll do once you've signed up for Browse AI is log in to the dashboard. From there, it's super easy to start setting up your scraper. The interface is very user-friendly, so even if you're new to web scraping, you won't be lost. You'll click on New Robot, which is what Browse AI calls its scraping tool, and it will ask for the website you want to extract data from. In this case, we're going to scrape news articles. Once you input the news site URL, Browse AI will take a screenshot of the page and allow you to select exactly what content you want to scrape. For news articles, this could include the headline, body text, publication date, and even author information if that's important to you. It's all done visually, so it's like pointing and clicking on the data you need. Next, you'll need to configure how frequently you want Browse AI to scrape the data. For example, if you want to track news stories over time, you can set it to scrape the site once an hour, once a day, or whatever works best for your needs. You'll be able to automate this process without needing to constantly monitor or run scrapers manually. The beauty of Browse AI is how it handles data. Instead of getting cluttered or disorganized information, you'll receive clean, structured data in formats like CSV or JSON. This makes it easy to import the scraped articles directly into your analysis tools or content management system. And if you're worried about website changes breaking your scraper, Browse AI has got you covered. It automatically adapts to small changes on the site, saving you from the headache of constantly tweaking your setup. It's a real-time saver. Plus, if you want to scale your scraping efforts, Browse AI lets you run multiple robots at once, pulling articles from different news sites or different sections of the same site. This makes it especially powerful if you need to monitor a variety of news sources. Lastly, once you've scraped the data, you can easily export it for further analysis or use it directly in your marketing strategies. Whether you're building a content strategy, monitoring trends, or pulling data for research, Browse AI will help you stay ahead of the curve. As mentioned earlier, if you want to try Browse AI for free, just check the first link below for an extended trial, and you'll get access to all the features mentioned here with our exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out. Now that you know how to scrape news articles with Browse AI, you can start automating the process and get your data faster, all while avoiding the complicated steps usually involved with web scraping. Make sure to grab the free trial link below, and happy scraping.